Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. As you guys know, when you guys see this wig cap, you already know what time it is. I am working with Afsisterwig. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this company correctly. I love their packaging. It's giving me like gift vibes. It's definitely giving me the holiday spirit. I didn't even want to open it because the packaging was so pretty. Inside of your package, you do receive the wig, of course, and look how silky straight that looks right out of the box. You get a wig cap and you get a brush for your baby hairs with a hair clip. But this is the start of the show, you guys, so let's get into this wig. As y'all can see, it's silky straight right out of the box. I was very impressed with the texture and just the quality of it. My favorite is the lace. This is Swiss HD lace, you guys. It is melted for you. Like, look at that part. It is plucked for you already. You do not have to worry about bleaching. The knots are really, really small, which gives the illusion of a real scalp. I was just all around impressed. This is a 13 by 6, so you get a lot of room of lace, you guys. You get this band inside, and you also get combs all the way through this unit. This wig does still comes with an adjustable straps in the back, even though it comes with a band. With this band, you can adjust the band to as well as tight as you want or as loosened as you please. This is adjustable for you to take off, so if you don't want to wear the straps, you can take it and slide it right out. Okay, so I did try on the wig before applying the glue and everything like that, so I just wanted to measure it to my head because we do have to cut that extra lace off behind the ear. But y'all, as y'all can see, look at the freaking lace. Like, I was so impressed. Like, one thing about a wig, I need the lace to be like really great quality, and I can say the quality of this lace is amazing. So what I did was I went ahead and cut out that extra lace because we don't need that. So I always recommend you guys to take your time and do this part, measure it to your head, and get to cutting that extra lace off. You can keep it for whatever reasons you may please, but I didn't need it, so I end up cutting it, and now the wig is comfortably ear to ear, and I don't have to worry about it, you know, not fitting. So I did it on both sides, and then you guys are going to see me going in and just installing the unit. Okay, so I clip my hair back and I push the wig back so we can get to everything. But before that, I did cut the lace on my head. And then you guys are going to see me using my ebon glue, my lace adhesive glue. And I put 2 layers of this down, and I waited until the glue basically got a little bit clear. And we're going to get into installing, y'all. When I say the meltdown was real, the meltdown was real. Like, I was very impressed with the lace quality, and I'm not going to get over it because it's just amazing. And I always tell people, when searching for a wig, you always want the quality of the lace to be really good, because that is like so important with a wig. So I was really hyped to like put this wig on. As y'all can see, the glue is still trying to dry. I always recommend to wait, but I could not wait. But y'all can still see that meltdown, baby. Even though you can see the glue, it is going to dry. It's going to go away. But the meltdown is real, and it looks so freaking good. I love a thin lace. The thinner the lace is, the more that it can lay down and melt down. Like, look at that. Like, wow. I end up doing a side part. I did adjust it to the middle, so you guys, I had to use my hot comb and press down and mold everything towards the side. This wig naturally lays down flat on its own. I was very impressed with how the wig just was super flat. It was not bulky at all, and it was comfortable. And I was so impressed also with the density of this unit. It was perfect. I love how the ends look like it was already cut for me. And Yeah, I did not have to cut my ends. It was just full all the way down. I believe this is a 180 density. I will have it linked down below, the full description to this unit. I use this right here, my Cream of Nature Snot. It's called Snot. It basically tames frizz and things like that. I rubbed a little bit around my hands, and I just did a little bit on the top of the unit just to tame the flyaways. Now this wig does come already silky straight out of the box, but I wanted to put a little bit of heat to it in areas that needed it, but I didn't want to mess up the flip at the bottom, so I tried to keep the flip going how it came out the box. Like I said, I really did love how the ends looked like it was already cut for me, and things like that. So this wig does come already prepped for you, which I love. I did not pluck not one thing on this unit. You hear me? All I did was part it. I didn't even have to pluck my part. Love that for me, honey. Everything is already pretty much adjusted and done for you. All you got to do is install, and baby, look at that. I was impressed. I know I keep saying impressed, but I really was, because this wig does give high luxury quality, and I would say it's worth every freaking penny. If there is a coupon code, it will be listed down below. The length on this beauty is a 22 inch. I thought it was a 24. It gives off like it's a 24 inch. It looks really good in length to me. So I'm about like 5'2", 5'1", and I don't know if it's because of my height or whatever, but it definitely goes down to my back, to my lower back, and I just love everything about it. I could put it behind my ear nicely, and y'all, full all the way down to its ends. It looks healthy. It looks clean. Let me know what y'all baby dolls think. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, everything is listed down below.